Hey everybody, welcome to week 4. This is your course review, and this week we're going to be talking about planning and replenishment concepts in Chapter 5 of your inventory management book. Chapter 6 is going over why inventory systems fail and how to fix them. And then Chapter 7 is the basics of supply chain risk management. This week's fairly easy. We have discussion board posts as usual, and those discussion board posts will be about just-in-time inventory. And we also have a question about economic order and quantity. You also have one about primary risk within supply chain, and then the final is the cost of carrying buffer stock to reduce risk. Anyway, so make sure you answer the discussion questions as always. Then you will also have your final exam, your post-test. Your post-test is a graded assignment, so it is 5% of grade, so make sure that you take that. And that should complete week 4, and then we'll be moving on to our next class, which is TRA 4202, Logistics Systems. If anybody's having problems ordering the book, which you shouldn't be, they should have that in stock. In fact, let me do that while I have your attention. My computer is moving very, very slow this morning, and I'm not sure why. Okay, so we're going into term 19S as in Sierra, D as in Delta. So some of you, I apologize for the slow movement of the computer. Okay, so we're going to go to TRA. Find materials. Okay. There's no image for the book, but the book should look like this. So it's called Supply Chain Management, a Logistics Perspective. And you can either get it from the, and it's out of stock. Nice. Oh, here it is, right here. So it looks like it is in stock. So I'm not sure what this one is. I have not been using 2 books for that course. I've only been using the 1. So you only need the Supply Chain Management 10th edition. And it looks like that is in stock. So, alright, so go ahead and order your books for the next course, whether it be through the Kaiser University bookstore or the another source such as Amazon or Chegg or whatever you choose to use. Alright, have a great day, and if you have any questions, please give me a call or email me. Thanks.